Lance again at Blue Collar Bobbers, our new Indian Scout. We dare to be different. All tires were white back in the old days, so why not now? Check that out. 1934 Flash Gordon mufflers, all leather solo seat, fenders, lights, wow, cool. This is our newest addition to our bobber kits that we make. They're do-it-yourself, made in America, bolt-on bobber kits. You don't want to pull up to the light and have your bike look just like everybody else, so you want to look different. We specialize in fun and different. And this one is different. We designed the quick release seat. All our seats are leather and custom vinyl, the best there is. Take that screw out and the whole seat and pan lifts up so you can get your wiring. Super bright LED dual filament signal lights. And your choice of seat frame depending on your weight. We have it all here. Look at the lines on this bad boy. Wow, what a good looking bike. This little mother just sets the world on fire. And it's so fun to ride, so smooth, powerful. My name is Lance, and just text me or call me anytime because I love to talk bikes. And this is our newest fun addition. We've been making the kits here in Utah since 2009, and boy, we just send you a box full of fun. That's what we do. That's what we do. We are the motorcycle fun store, Blue Collar Bobbers.